Hello guys, today I'm cooking tuna with mushrooms. Yes, so the first thing I do is I slice my mushroom, as you can see in the video, a little bit thin sliced. Then I'll put butter in my hot pan, and then I'll add finely chopped onions, stir it a little bit. Then I'll add some garlic, stir a little bit. Then I'm going to add my mushroom in. I'm going to let my mushroom cook until the water that drains from the mushroom, not washroom. Then I'm going to add mixed herbs and then balsamic vinegar. Stir it a little bit, let it drain, then add my cooking cream, heavy cooking cream anyway. Then I'm going to stir this and let my mushroom cook until it has thickened. Yes. So guys, my tuna fish I get them at city market. The last tall on your right. I think most of you guys know that stall that sell fish. They sell nice fish. So in my grilling pan, I'm going to add my tuna. I had already seasoned one side with salt and pepper, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side too. And then once the other side has cooked, I'm going to turn my tuna. Cook it according to your preference. If you like it all cooked, well done. Just cook it according to your preference. And if you feel like now my tuna is cooked, then I'm going to turn my tuna on this other side. Yes, you can see how good it looks, and it has those lines from the grilling pan. I love that. Yes, so I'm going to turn my tuna, and then I will let my tuna cook on this other side. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of butter so that it can at least take away that taste of fish. You know, tuna has a strong taste of fish, and it's not like I don't like it. I don't have a problem with it, but at least to add some flavor to my tuna. And my tuna is ready, so I'm serving this with a what is this, mushroom sauce and rice. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Anyway, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, maybe this is the time that you should go in and subscribe to my channel. See you guys, and thank you so much for being here with me. Mwah.